making my own recipe of aloo sandwich. First we're gonna get our aloo tikkis and we can put them on about 10 minutes, and then once you flip them, we can get it for 5 minutes. All the ingredients we'll be using onions. For our opinion, we will like dried chilies, and we will use salt, black pepper, and mixed herbs, and we will need a big bowl to smush them in, and we're just using this sauce, and we're going to use one type of masala and some bread. Let's get started. After a while, we put some of our ingredients, maybe this side, and tomato masala. We're gonna use haldi, just half a spoon. Set it out. Not too much. It can be hot. It's giving you a warning. Especially you, Mama. Okay, ready?